Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Chrome extension to PandaDoc. All right, basically, we're going to be trying to use the PandaDoc's own extension. Okay, to do so, just log in with your PandaDoc account. Once done, go ahead over to the left panel. At the very bottom, we have settings. Just hover your mouse onto it. Now click on integrations. Okay, once done, just go ahead and find Nutshell. Okay. Just scroll down and under CRM, we have Nutshell. It says here, Nutshell is a modern cloud application to help manage your leads and customers. Click on it. Now just click on Install Chrome extension. Okay. Just wait for this page to load. And once done, just click on Add to Brave. Add. And there will be a pop-up right here. Just click on Add Extension. Wait for it to download. And once done, a pop-up right here at the top right will show. Just close this one. Now go ahead and go to your extension. Then click on it. Then just go ahead and click on Go to Nutshell CRM, as you would need to log in to your Nutshell account. Okay, so just click on Go. Wait for it to load. And if you don't have an account yet, just go to the top right, click on Sign Up. Or if you do have an account, select Sign In. Okay, just going to go ahead and sign up for a free trial. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Google. Wait for it. And I'm going to go ahead and choose this Google account. Hit on Continue. It says here, signing up with Google. Just patiently wait. Add your company name. Answer ASAP, like that. Phone number, I'm just going to go ahead and put my phone number. How many people? Select the number of people that is within your company. Okay. Just me for now. Hit on Next. Just starting. Next. Says here, nicely done. Just wait for it to finish. Okay. And in no time, you have your Nutshell account. And when you go ahead over to your extensions right here at the top, click on Documents. As you can see, it now says access the PandaDoc panel from any lead, contact, or record within the Nutshell CRM. And this will allow you to easily create, send, and track documents on the fly. That is it. That's how you connect a Chrome extension to PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.